In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete all browsing history on Google Chrome, updated. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open before moving to the next part. Once Chrome is on the screen, look to the upper right corner of the window. You will see the menu icon with 3 dots. Click the 3 dots in the upper right corner. When the menu opens, look through the list of options until you find the setting for deleting browsing data. This option takes you to the area where Chrome lets you remove information stored from your browsing activity. Select Delete Browsing Data. After you click it, Chrome will open the Clear Browsing Data window. This is the section where you can remove your browsing history from the browser. If your goal is to delete all browsing history, make sure you are clearing the history for the full available time range rather than just the last hour or last day. That helps ensure everything is removed, not just recent activity. In this area, Chrome may also show other types of stored information such as cookies and cached files. Those can usually be cleared at the same time depending on what you want to remove. If you only want browsing history gone, pay attention to the selections before confirming. If you want a more complete cleanup, you can leave the other relevant options selected. Once you are ready, confirm the action to let Chrome delete the browsing data. The browser may take a few seconds to finish, especially if there is a lot of saved history. After the process is complete, your browsing history will be cleared from Chrome. That covers everything you need to know.